Hey everyone, so today I have a new blind box series and this is called the Fadee Dreamland, and I got this set, a whole set, because I love this design. It's different from the usual blind boxes I collect, but the style is so cute and it's all nature themed and I just had to get the whole set. So the lineup is really cute. You can get, I think, 8 different blind boxes and there's one hidden. So you can get Tony, Bee, Ghoulie, Mosey, Luli, Moody, Ruby, and Wawu. And one secret one right here. And they're all so cute. The one I really wanted was Ghoulie and Tony. And I really wanted Moody and Mosey as well. Basically, I want all of them. The only one I was like about was Wowie, but even Wowie's pretty cute. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. So I have it all set up like it's in a toy store, and the box setup, the display is so pretty. I love this art. I wish I could get this as like a print, just so I can frame it up. It would look so good. So let's go ahead and open it up. So the box has this gold lettering to it, which says Fadee Dreamland. And here's the lineup. And all of them are really cute. Luli, Bee, Ghoulie, all of them. I don't think there's a single one that I'd be upset with. Okay. And we got a Bee. It's a little pink bunny, and there's a tiny little ladybug that goes on top, and it's actually magnetic, so that's really cool. So you can't lose any pieces. That is perfect. And she looks so good. Next one. It's really heavy, actually. So we got Wowie the bush, and it's very heavy, actually. And we have a little bush that goes on top, and it's also magnetic. Oh, sorry, Wawu, not Wowie. So here is Wawu. Going to box number 3. And this one's a lot lighter compared to Wawu. Ooh, we have the stump. So the stump is Mosey. It's a tree stump with a little slime with antlers on it. And here is Mosey. Oh, Mosey is so cute. And she has a little kind of branch coming out of her butt. Oh my god, I love this set so much. This is definitely my style of art. We're going to the 4th one now. It's hard to rip these little plastic tags. Next we have Moody, or Muddy. So it's kind of a little deer with a mushroom on its head, holding a sick mushroom, and it has this yellow mushroom that goes somewhere, and it has an exposed magnet. Oh, it just goes right on top. Perfect. That is so cute. I love the fact that these things have magnets. Isn't this set adorable? Look at this set. It's just so cute. So we opened about half. We're gonna go on to the next half. So here is the 5th one. This like foil part has to rip easier though. That's like one of my complaints. Luli or Lully. So Lully is a little deer holding an orange with another orange with a leaf on its head. And this is very fall colory. Next one. I do like it how it's really easy to rip this part though. Because some blind boxes it just stops like right before the end. And we got Ruby, which is like kind of like a, I don't know, kind of like a naughty bunny on a little skateboard. He doesn't have any magnetic piece though, which is kind of sad. I wish all of them did. So here is, so this is Ruby on this skateboard, and its belly is a little leaf, but no magnetic piece on its head. This is the second to last box. So we have Gully or Ghoulie. It is like a giant blue bear with antlers and a little orange on its head, and they're both yawning or sleeping. And here's the card. And the last one. I think we are missing Tony, the stack of rocks. Or, you know, it could be the secret too. So this one is Tony, and there's a rock, a magnetic rock that goes on top, and another magnetic rock that goes on top. That's really cute. So this is 3 magnetic pieces. So here's the entire Fadee Dreamland that I opened. My favorite one, I would say, has to be this one right here. I also love Ghoulie. And Tony, I like the rocks too. They're all really good. And it's a good mix of like seasonal colors. So we have like the fall ones, and then we have the vibrant spring ones. I think this is overall such a cute set. I hope this artist releases more blind boxes because I'm definitely gonna get more and more. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you for checking out this new series with me. And then catch you all next time. Thank you.